Telling someone what to do is not the essence of Christianity. The Christian faith is about being yourself first. Being yourself means knowing that God has made us His children. Here's a great example. Let's look at the conversation between God and David. David said this: I dwell in the palace, and the ark of the law of God is in the tabernacle. I will build a temple to God. Then God appeared to him and rebuked David. I am God, and there is nothing that I do not have. How can you fulfill my need? And how can you make it? Do you realize how ridiculous your words are? David's attitude was to say to God, I'm going to do something for you, so give me something. This is not a father-son relationship. Our relationship with God is not a relationship where we give something and we get something in return. God made us to be His pleasure. The real joy in our lives comes from that relationship. Let's take music as an example. Folks, no matter how good you are at singing, you can't make chords on your own. Chords are made when you connect with another person. God wants that kind of relationship with us, that kind of chord, and He wants that kind of art. This is the glory that the Bible talks about. God calls us into that relationship of grace. Do you want to restore your fellowship with God? Get back to the Word. God will surely be waiting for you there. God truly speaks through the Bible. I invite you into the deepest and most joyful fellowship in the world. God bless you.